Good morning, student. Happy New Year to all of you. Now we see our chapter 11 in our grammar articles. Articles means demonstrative adjective. Articles we cannot find in another language, but we can see here articles in only English language. So what is articles? So articles are little words that introduce a noun. It means we have to use article before noun. Articles are types of adjective. What we can say that in grammar? So articles are types of adjective. It means articles are adjective. So we can say that here there are two kinds of articles. So here first, indefinite article. It means definite article the. Why we can say that here article the is definite article? Because the article refer any particular noun. So we can say that the is definite article. And why we can say that a or n is indefinite article? Because indefinite article a or n do not refer any particular noun or thing. So a or n article is considered here in indefinite articles. Now we see here the uses of article a or n. So we can say that here they do not refer to any particular things. Here they do not refer to any particular things. It means we randomly speak the names of any noun or anything. So they do not refer to any particular thing. We use a or n with a singular countable noun. Remember it, very important things is here. A or n article we can use with only one singular noun. It means only one noun. For plural we have to use article the. But for the singular and countable noun we have to use only a or n. Now article a is used with the noun that begin with consonant sound. Here most important thing is there. We have to use article a with the consonant sound is there. It means we have to pronounce the noun. If the noun is begin with a consonant sound, then we have to use article a. How can we find out the noun is a consonant sound? So we have to take the support of Gujarati alphabet. It means Gujarati consonant here. Like we can say that here first example I have taken here, like a tree. So we can say that a tree, we speak here tree is a noun, and when we speak the spelling of tree, so t we speak here t. So before the t we have to use a. Then second example, a pen. So when we pronounce pen noun, so p we have to speak here p. So before p we have to use article a. Then third example, that is car. Car we speak here the pronunciation is like a k. Car ka. So we have to use article a. Then book. Book is started with a consonant sound. When we speak here, when we speak the noun, then we can understand the sound of consonant. Like for the example, book is given here. So for the book we pronounce like b. So for the b we have to put here article a. Then after our article n, then we see here the use of the article n. So article n is used with the noun that begin with a vowel sound and with a silent h. Once again, article n is used with a noun that begin with a vowel sound and with silent h. It means some spelling begin with vowel sound. It means we have to take the support of Gujarati vowel like a, e, u, ru, a, I, o, ah. So when our noun is start with a vowel sound, not the spelling. what we are doing here, we see the spelling of any noun start with A, E, I, O, U, then we put N before the particular noun, but the spelling is not important. The spelling is not important, but we have to check the sound of particular noun. If the noun beginning with a vowel sound means we speak during the times of speaking of particular noun, how we start our pronunciation, that is a sound. So vowel sound is there, then we have to write N article, and with the silent H, it means the spelling beginning with the H, but during the times of pronunciation of any particular noun, that H remains silent. It means we do not speak H, but we start speaking the pronunciation of that particular noun with second letter, so H remain silent here. Like first example, an engine is given here. So engine, when we speak the noun engine, so engine started with A, then N we have to write here. Then second example, egg. So we speak here egg. So here egg is there, so a pronunciation is given here, so on that time we have to write An article. Then ink pot, when we speak here ink pot noun, so E, our spelling is begin with E, and spelling begin with I, lekin sound is begin with the I, so we have to write here N articles here. Then MBA, the spelling beginning with M, but when we pronounce here MBA, so M started with the A, so here N article is there. Another for example is taken by me here, like hair. So here hair is there, spelling beginning with the H, but here we have to pronounce like the second letter E, so here N air. So air is there, so A is coming here, so we have to write N. Then honest is given here, spelling beginning with the H, but pronunciation is like that honest. So honest is a vowel sound, so we have to write N article. Then honorable, spelling beginning with the H, but we have to speak pronunciation like honorable is there, so we have to write AN. Then our, the spelling beginning with H, but the pronunciation is like our, so we have to write AN. Then some words is also given here, on that time spelling is beginning with A, E, I, O, U, but still we have to use here a before that particular noun. Like uniform is there, like uniform is given here, the spelling beginning with U, but pronunciation is started with the Y. Uniform, it means uniform, so Y is there. So Y is there, pronunciation is consonant sound is there here for the uniform ka Y is a consonant sound is there, so we have to write A article before uniform. Then unit is also start with the Y, so we have to also write here a before unit. Then European spelling begin with the E. We see here A, E, I, O, U only vowel in English, but we have to see the vowel sound or consonant sound. So European is begin with spelling E, but the pronunciation, the sound is produced here consonant, so we have to write a European here. Then after university, once again U, the spelling beginning with U, but the pronunciation is consonant sound, so we have to write a before university. Then a 1 rupee note, so here the spelling is beginning with the O-N-E, one, O, but when we pronounce here, so we have to speak here one, so va we have to speak here, so va is consonant sound, so we have to write a before a 1 rupee note. Then one way road, so here spelling beginning with O, but the pronunciation is like va, so we have to write also a before one way road. So we can say that here we have seen here article of a and n. Articles are demonstrative adjective, and we have to use here article a or n. We can say that indefinite article because a or n do not refer any particular noun or particular thing. So we can say that a or n are indefinite articles, and we have to use a article before consonant sound and an article before vowel sound. And a and n articles are used only with singular countable noun. It means singular noun means only one noun. Thank you.